Another failed defrost timer. It's going in the defrost. We're pulling our amps for our heaters, but our refrigeration unit's still running. That one doesn't even go in. That set doesn't even go in. Nothing. Let's see if we can switch it over to a mechanical time clock and get rid of this garbage. Let's see if the Vangina's got, oh, it's got to be 115 volt. I don't have a time clock for that one. Damn it. All right, I didn't have a 115 on the van, because I carry the 208 version, the 814520. But the parts house is still open till 5. He said he'd wait for me. It's 4:44. My clock might be a little bit fast. So we're gonna come down here and get a time clock. And then we'll switch that. We'll get rid of that Intermatic or ICM or whatever it was in there that used to be a Grassland timer. We'll switch it to a mechanical time clock. Make the magic. Let's go get this thing. Right in rush hour traffic. Oh yeah, down to the inchworm. Doing the inchworm boogie. I have Bill's wheels. Yeah. We're gonna get around the landscaper here. Oh, and then we just get stuffed. Oh, let's see if we can make the green. You guys ever play that game? So close, so close, so close. Come on, come on, come on. Made it. Oh, that's a huge win. Oh, we got one more up there. Let's see if it's gonna be nice to us. Made it. Let's see about the next one. Oh, pedestrian, we're boned. Gotta stop for the pedestrian. Rules are rules. Oh, might still make the green. Let's see. 4 dealers full of cars. Full of cars, full of trucks. Good luck with that. Man, we're lucking out on these green lights. Look, oh, I spoke too soon. Wah, wah, wah. Thought we had that one. Look at the dogs walking as human. You can just about get him run over. Classic. All right, we'll tune back in after we get parts. All right, we're gonna leave the parts house. Like, we got a co-pilot, the 814500. That should do it. Heroes or zeros, we're gonna find out. Let's get out of here. There's the miller. Take it out of the can. So we'll probably have to mount the can. We should have hot, neutral, compressor, and defrost. And the defrost termination's already been taken off. Let's do that over so you guys can see. I didn't have the camera framed up good. Neutral, hot, defrost, compressor. And the defrost termination had already been taken out of there. Straight up time defrost. Old school. All right. right, so it's easier just to take the door off. The door just slides on. Take it off. Take the timer out. Oh, we gotta knock the knockout out. Or probably, yeah, we could steal that poppin' bushing they had. For sure. We could do a little recycle on the poppin' bushing right there. Alright, we moved the poppin' bushing over so the wires don't get chafed. And we left the top one on there. Look at that. Then I just gotta zap in my 2 bottom screws. We'll be ready to rewire this in like 5 seconds. Right, so she's all mounted in there, 3 screws. And then we get our timer. 3 notches on the side. Go into those 3 notches. Real simple. Necesito. Let me get 2 hands in there. Hold on, here we are. All wired up. Hot, neutral, 3s. Your defrost heaters, 4 is your cooling circuit. Defrost termination was old schooled. All right, let's see if this thing works. Right, we got it going. Compressor's going. Let's see if we're heroes or zeros. We want the compressor to stop and the amps to come on and the fans, evap fans, to stop. All right, compressor stopped. We got amperage for our defrost heaters. And our fans stopped, so we have switched her. That is a switcherooski right there. And our defrost heaters are good. And then we'll get our card in and our door back on. We'll make this a freezer again. All right, that's 1 beater back together. It'll start to come down here. We'll check it in a bit. But switching that, the buzzing is our sump pump alarm. Digital clock back to mechanical.